Welcome to the Week 11 Spreadsheet Binomial Option Pricing VBA, second worksheet. And in this worksheet, what we're going to do is we're going to price European and American binomial options using Visual Basic for applications. Now, I've provided you with some code already in your instructions. This is code for your European call and also for your American call. And what I'd ask you to do is to cut and paste that code into the appropriate positions within the VBA. So if you go Visual Basic, you can see that there are two modules, American and European, and I would invite you to place the American call in the American part of the module and the European call in the European part of the module. Okay. You're going to have to use the American call and the European call as templates for your American put and European put. So let's start with the European put. And as you can see here, the code's already finished, and you can see a function call to European put. And this is just like any other function call, even though I've created the code. So if I hit return, I've put a breakpoint in the key code, which is you have to focus on and change to update for the European call based on the European put. And the difference, of course, is here. What you have to do here is, instead of, because it's a put, what you have to do is you have to subtract the strike price minus the value of the underlying stock price at each of the leaves in the tree. Notice that if you look at the call price above, it's quite different. So if I toggle the breakpoint and hit play, you'll see that if I go back to the European put, I've got the correct value. I can also move to the American put. I can do it this way too, and you can see it's highlighted the key code. So if I hit F2 and return, the yellow line indicates that execution has stopped here. And what you can now see is the key code that needs to be changed for the American put value. And what you can see, of course, is that once again we've got X minus some code here. I'm not going to go into detail because I want you to think about it. And this is not the only change that's required for the conversion of the American call to the American put, but it's the main code. Alright, that is it for now. I hope you've enjoyed the VBA binomial option pricing.